Hey guys, today I will show you an alternative way to change template in Squarespace 7.1. So when Squarespace introduced version 7.1, they removed the ability to switch templates like in version 7.0. Instead, all sites now use the same unified design system, allowing users to customize their website entirely through site styles. However, this change has made redesigning a website more complicated. If you're looking for an alternative way to change your template in Squarespace 7.1, follow this approach. Step 1 is choosing a reference template. So even though your Squarespace doesn't allow template switching, you can still find a design you like and replicate it manually. So simply navigate to your Squarespace dashboard, click on create a website, and you can easily choose any new template. Now, browse the Squarespace template library and note the fonts, colors, and layouts of your desired template. So here you can see if I would like to make a template that will look something like this, I'll have to just note down the fonts, colors, and layout of my desired template. Step 2 will be accessing site styles. So log into your Squarespace account and select the site you want to edit. So for example, I'm going to choose this one. Now, on the left panel, navigate to Website Styles under Website and Styles. Now, it will show up the Site Styles panel that will allow you to customize your site's appearance. Step 3 will be customizing your site to match the new template. So, first one is fonts. Choose a font pairing similar to your reference template. You can adjust font size, weight, and line spacing for different text elements. So we'll choose fonts and we can easily choose another kind of font that would be matching our desired template. For example, I will choose something like this or this and it will look better. Now, color. Select a predefined color palette or upload an image like logo to generate a matching color scheme. So we'll choose colors and we can easily choose another kind of color template. What you can also do is click on customize and choose a color palette or make one. So we can see we have other color themes like light 1, 2, 3, 4. You can also click on section background and choose another color for your site title, for inset border, for section background and background overlay. You can edit the color for every single element on your website. So this is pretty easy to do. Just choose the element that you want to edit the color for and choose another color palette, or you can also click on edit site-wide palette and you can choose another color if you want, like this. Now you can go back after doing this and you would have successfully changed the color or customized your site's color. Now, buttons. So you can adjust button styles like primary, secondary, tertiary to match your chosen template. You can click on the button option and it will give you all the options for the buttons that will be available. You can choose, for example, this one. So there's no button available on my site currently at the top, but here it is. Now, when I choose another button, it will instantly change to that specific button. I can also click on customize and choose primary, secondary, and tertiary button. I can edit the font for this button, like I'll click here and I can also choose the font to be italic. I can choose the weight of this font. I can choose the size of this, the spacing between the words, and text transformation. I can also click on this option at the top and I can choose the font for my button. Like this specific button will have another font apart from my theme. So it's pretty customizable and this will allow you to customize your site even more smoothly and give you more control over it. Also, you can add a smooth transitions to site elements for a modern look. Simply click on miscellaneous options, choose animation, and you can easily choose what kind of animation you want. For example, if I choose scale, my site will scale up when someone will scroll down like this. If I choose fade, it will come up like that. So it has all these cool animation effects you can see. You can also choose the speed for these animations. Now, after doing this, you can adjust how images appear like collage, card, stack, etc. to reflect the original template style. Now, step 4 is copying layouts from another site. So to speed up the process, you can duplicate the design of another Squarespace site. Just open the reference site source code, like right-clicking there and clicking on inspect option, and you'll have to just identify the font styles, colors, and spacing used in this from these code, and you can manually apply these settings in your site styles panel pretty easily. Now, step 5 will be saving and preview. So once you have customized the design, preview your site and make adjustments as needed. When you're satisfied, save changes by clicking on save button and publish your updated design. So, while Squarespace 7.1 doesn't allow direct template switching, this alternative method lets you recreate any template manually. By using site styles, adjusting layouts, and copying design elements from other templates, you can effectively transform your site without starting from scratch. So that was the simple way through which you can do it. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.